Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us a newly launched smartwatch from Boat, and it's the Boat Xtend. This is the first time we're reviewing a Boat product, and if you want to see more review videos of Boat products, then do let us know in the comment section below. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front we have the model name Watch Xtend and the picture of the smartwatch. And here we have some key features such as 1.69-inch full touch color display, stress monitoring, and you get the customizable watch faces. And here you can see that it comes with the built-in Alexa support. On this side of the box we can see some commands which you can use with this watch. At the back of the box we have some more key features such as real-time notification alert, it's 5 ATM waterproof, menstruation cycle tracking for females, compatible with both Android and iOS platform, comes with 14 sport modes with auto motion recognition, ambient light display, and this smartwatch offers health functions such as heart rate, SpO2 and sleep monitoring. The MRP of this smartwatch is 7,999, but right now this smartwatch is available to purchase for just Rs 2,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box first we get the documentations, and here we get this catalog featuring other Boat products. And then here we have the warranty details. You also get a Boat head sticker, quick start guide on Alexa setup, and then finally here we have the user guide of this smartwatch, and it has detailed info about the pairing and other features. And then here we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, this is the pitch black variant, and apart from that, this smartwatch is available in 3 more colors. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get this charging cable which is magnetic, and here is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Boat Watch Xtend is a budget fitness smartwatch. Looking at the design, I really like the build quality, especially this gold body frame. The main body of this watch is made up of plastic, and because of that, it feels really lightweight. The straps are made up of TPU material, but the quality is decent. And also, you can easily replace the straps of this watch. Now in terms of the overview, in the front we have the 1.69-inch colored touchscreen, which comes with a curved glass. On the right side, we have the crown button by which you can wake up the screen or go to the menu. At the back we have the sensors, and here we have the heart rate and the SpO2 sensor. And below it, we have the charging pins. And you also get a mic here at the back for Alexa. So overall in terms of design and quality, I find the Boat Watch Xtend pretty good. And the build quality of this smartwatch is far better than some other smartwatches in this price range. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for the first time, you would need to connect the charging cable, and here it is on and asking us to download the app Boat Wave. And as mentioned earlier, the app is available for both Android and iOS devices. And here we have the app installed. The pairing process is simple. Just go to the add device section and choose the watch from the list, and you will see the name Xtend here. And here it is. Our watch is now ready to use. And guys, as soon as you pair the watch, it will prompt you to enable Alexa, for which you need to use your Amazon account. Now let's look at the watch features first. So you can control this smartwatch with the touch gestures and the crown button on the side. So here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. This smartwatch can store up to 7 watch faces, and you have a lot of options in the app, which I will show you in a moment. About the controls, swiping down from the top allows you to see the notification history, and swiping up from the bottom shows you the quick settings. And here we have the DND, raise to wake, brightness, and the find phone option. Swiping left or right gives you the access to the quick apps, and you can customize these cards from the companion app. To access the main menu, you will need to single press the crown button, and guys, to access the Amazon Alexa, you will need to long press the crown button. About the Alexa more, during our testing, we found the mic performance very good, and we were able to ask Alexa some basic questions and tasks. You can also control your Amazon Alexa devices from this smartwatch. Now coming back to the menu, first we have the health data, and here you can see your step count, calories burned, distance, and standing time. To go back to the previous screen, you can press the back button on the top or just swipe right from the left side. Then in the menu we have the sport modes, and here we have the outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor and indoor walking, hiking, outdoor cycling, cricket, yoga, indoor cycling, workout, pool swimming and open water swimming, rower and elliptical. You can choose the workout goal here, which can be time or calories based. Now coming back to the menu again, then we have the Amazon Alexa Sports Record, which basically shows you the workout history. After that we have the heart rate, and guys, the heart rate data on this smartwatch is pretty accurate, and we have also compared it with the Apple Watch. Then in the menu we have the SpO2 monitoring, and the detection is very fast. After that we have the stress monitoring, and it supports all-day stress monitoring. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the breathe training, which allows you to do some breathing exercise, which will help you to calm yourself down. After that we have the sleep, which shows you your last night's sleep data. And then we have the weather, and it shows you 2 days of weather forecast. After that we have the music control, which allows you to control music on your phone. And then we have some usual options such as stopwatch, alarm and timer. And in the timer, you get some preset timers in this smartwatch. Then in the menu we have the find phone option, which plays a loud tone on your phone. And then finally we have the settings. In the settings you can enable raise to wake feature, which by the way works pretty good, and the screen turns off automatically when you lower your hand. And then we have the D&D toggle button, watch faces and the brightness option. In the brightness, you can turn on the auto brightness feature, which adjusts the brightness at night time. After that we have the usual options such as power off, restart and reset the smartwatch. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch. And guys, keeping in mind the pricing, I find the features on this smartwatch very good. Now let me quickly show you the companion app Boat Wave. So here we are on the home page, and on the top we have the step counts, distance, calories burned and so on. And then below it we have the sleep and training details, and also the data for heart rate, SpO2 and stress monitoring. You can also edit these cards on the home page from here. On the next page we have the training menu, and guys, you can start these workout activities from here. And as this smartwatch doesn't come with the built-in GPS, and it takes the GPS data from your phone. And then we have the device page, and here you can see first your connected device and the remaining battery. In the watch settings, here we have the watch face store, and guys, I really find the watch face option on this app really good, and some of these watch faces looks very good on this smartwatch. Then in the settings we have the health monitoring, and here you can turn on the real-time heart rate monitoring, stress monitoring, and also enable the drinking reminder. You can also turn on the sedentary reminder from here, and you also have the option to enable menstruation cycle for females. After that we have the notification settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on the smartwatch. And here is how you enable the call alert. Now let me show you the call alert on this smartwatch. So you get the vibration alert on this smartwatch, and you can also decline the call from the watch itself. And here is how you get the message alert. You get the app icon for the alert. One thing I should tell you, that you don't get the preset replies or emoji support on this smartwatch. Now coming back to the settings, we have the additional device settings here, and from here you can turn on the find phone, music control, raise to wake and weather forecast. So guys, that's all the features we have on the companion app, and to be honest, the app is good, but with my iPhone, the smartwatch was kept on disconnecting as soon as we closed the app. So overall the Boat Xtend is a very good budget fitness smartwatch. I really like the design, and the build quality is amazing. The features you're getting in this smartwatch are very good, especially the Amazon Alexa support. The display is bright and crisp, and the touch response is also very good. The 300 mAh battery on this smartwatch can easily last up to 4 days with heavy usage, and the fitness data is also pretty accurate. There is one thing which I noticed here, that there is a lag in the menu and the animation is not that smooth. Nonetheless, we think that this smartwatch from Boat is one of the best smartwatch right now under Rs 3000. And if you have Alexa devices, then believe me, you will love this smartwatch. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Boat Xtend smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.